God, thank you for giving us another day. You are welcome, Anensan. This is Konkomba Studies Room. Dochena ye Likpakpeebil abem adi pone. Our last lesson was animals and their various names. Takuko abem na ye tu okurne Tiyingbiln. Tabalab Ayimbil. Today we are coming to learn human body part and their names. Ding batibay Uniibɔn Awun Atukm Ayimbil. Uniibɔn Awun Atukm Ayimbil and batibay ding. Late batibay ding attack. Before that, please follow us on Facebook, YouTube, or WhatsApp. Lipobil to the world. Ngban ye yorata Peter. Facebook, be YouTube. Be WhatsApp to be Lipobil to the world. Ligete klipat keditibu ta Litaakpab kuntubu nyurmo kam. Chatipindo, let's start from here. Tiyikper is hair. Tiyikper is hair. Liyil is head. Liyil is head. Is head. Liyil head. Liyil head. Limɔfal is nose. Limɔfal is nose. Is nose we call Limɔfal. Is nose we call Limɔfal. Lilambil is eye. Linimbil is eye. Lilambil lebekanye eye. Lilambil leye eye. Litafal is ear. Litafal is ear. Litafal lebeyen ear. Litafal lebeyen ear. Kimɔk bumɔb be Kinyɔk is mouth. Kimɔk bumɔb Kinyɔk is mouth. Litaakpinl is cheek. Your cheek. Litaakpinl is cheek. Litaakpinl is cheek. Lilambil is tongue. Lilambil is tongue. Lilambil is tongue. Lilambil is tongue. Linyinl tooth. Linyinl lebekanye tooth. It is tooth that we call Linyinl. Tinyingbiln be Nŋangbachok is gum. Tinyingbiln be Nŋangbachok is gum. Beard Lilangbanl. Beard Lilangbanl. But we have Tiyikper Tilangbachok. But nemomon linka ye Lilangbanl. Nsil is neck. Nsil is neck. Nsil leye neck. Libɔgbinl be Libɔgbinl is shoulder. Libɔgbinl be Libɔgbinl is shoulder. Nŋal is hand. Nŋal is hand. Begin to take your Nŋal. Me raise your hand. Nŋal is hand. Nŋal is hand. Ngbangbachok is elbow. Ngbangbachok is elbow. Ngbangbachok lay elbow. Finger Kiŋambik. Finger Kiŋambik. Kiŋambik lay finger. Kiŋambik finger. Kiŋambik finger. Chest Kibinŋ lay chest. Kibinŋ lay chest. This is known, the popular musician currently. Breast Libiil breast. Libiil breast. Libiil breast. Likpabl bone. Likpabl lay bone. Is bone that we call Likpabl in konkomba. Likpabl is bone. Nsikaakpab Nchakaakpab is rib. Is rib we call Nchakaakpab or Nsikaakpab. Nchakaakpab is rib. Heart Lipobil be Liŋuul. Lipobil be Liŋuul. Lipobil be Liŋuul is heart. Is heart. Likpakpeebil is kidney. Likpakpeebil is kidney. Likpakpeebil is kidney. Likpakpeebil is kidney. Lipɔɔl is liver. Lipɔɔl is liver. Lipɔɔl lay liver. Lipɔɔl lay liver. Skin Ngban. Unibɔn Awun lay skin. Unibɔn Awun lay skin. Is the skin we call Ngban or Unibɔn Awun. Ngbanl is umbilicus or novel. Ngbanl is novel or umbilicus. Linyinl is umbilical cord. Linyinl is umbilical cord. Again, when we link Linyinl, that means the umbilical cord has fallen off. Linyinl is abdomen. Is the lower abdomen. Is the lower abdomen. Lipool is stomach. Lipool is stomach. Lipool is stomach. Lipool is stomach. Liŋuul is vagina. Liŋuul is vagina. Liŋuul is vagina. Liŋuul is vagina. Kimɔk is womb. Kimɔk is womb. Kimɔk is womb. Ubu adonina, where the baby lies, is the womb. That is what we call Kimɔk. Litafal is penis. Litafal is penis. Penis lay Litafal. Tinyingbiln, where we urinate from, that is the penis. Litafal. Lipobil testicle. Lipobil testicle. Lipobil is testicle. Lipobil lay testicle. Waist, kichang. Kichang lay waist. Kichang lay waist. Kichang lay waist. Libiil is the buttocks. Libiil is the buttocks. Libiil lay buttocks. Libiil lay buttocks. Bottom is the bottom that we call Liŋambil. Be Limɔdil, be Limɔfal. Be bayen Liŋambil, Limɔdil, Limɔfal. It's all about bottom. That is the bottom. And we have Liŋambil, be Limɔfal, be Limɔdil is the anus. Limɔfal, Limɔdil, Liŋambil is the anus. Limɔfal, Limɔdil, Liŋambil is the anus. Nsil, be Nsil. Nsil, be Nsil is blood. Blood that konkomba called Nsil, be Nsil. Leg is the leg we call Lital. Lital leg. Lital Libiil leg. Thigh, Litafal lay thigh. Litafal lay thigh. Litafal lay thigh. Litanŋal lay knee. Litanŋal lay knee. Litanŋal Libiil knee. Kitafal lay foot. Kitafal lay foot. But the family nabaye kitafal that is done. But kitafal lay foot. Toe Kinyɔk lay toe. Kinyɔk Libiil toe. Kinyɔk Libiil toe. Litaakpab lay heel. Litaakpab lay heel. Litaakpab be Litaakpab Libiil heel. So this is the end of today's program. But two questions are there. Go and find out the name of bladder and fist in konkomba and put it in the comment. To by yen bladder and fist na. You can comment it, you can answer it down. And this program was brought to you by Likpabl to the world. It's our brother Ntiki Alexander from Kuwait. Thanks for your support. And it's I, Nŋangbachok, doing the presentation. Thank you for your time and have a good day.